Oh, he's pulling good line, huh?
Nothing quite like these things, is it?
Nope. More line. We're gonna chase it a bit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Kylan's got one too, dude.
Double header, huh? This is fun.
I'll give Roger a call. All right. Getting him tired out?
Pretty close. I'm just worried that the second I get him in,
You're back up a bit. Keep walking back. Okay, good idea.
I don't think Jaren's got a very big one.
Doesn't matter, it's still a fish.
Fish is a fish. I'm not dissing him at all.
That's good. The Kylan's got a better one too, I think.
God. My God.
Keep your rod tip up. Keep walking back. I'm gonna ditch my rod just so I don't mess this up.
Yeah, please.
Okay, stay rod. All right. See, Jaren's got one up there too. All right.
I'm pretty certain mine's not going to come off, but it's double hook on the spinner and...
Well, you never know, dude. Just... Jaren's coming down with his fish.
Hi, Bobby.
All right, well, bring it down. Keep walking down. Come on, Kyle, let's get the sucker in.
Spinner.
There he is. All right, Kyle, walk in. Walk toward him.
Yeah.
Can't see him. It's hard. Oh, there he is. It's hard to, without the bobber, to gauge. All right. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, yours is about 20. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
That was one hell of a fight.
Oh, you're gonna quickly walk back, and then walk the net back out to me. Here.
Oh, you gonna do both?
I don't know. This is ridiculous. Oh, that's a good one, Jaren. Oh my God! How is that? Dude, they're nice. Let's go.
More fish.
These fish are incredible.
They kick butt, don't they?
All right, follow me down here. Now it's getting sore.
What, from this fish or from this fish and the previous one?
Oh, and the previous one. This one's pretty close to as big as the other one, I think.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Jaren. Come get the net.
Yeah, please. It's a good
20.
size.
It's 24 and a half or 25 inches.
Just caught big ones with it or something?
Must have. And that's yours.
Take a lot then.
Yeah.
This is a pretty good one.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Hasn't fought that well.
No, it's doing alright.
Ah,
Alright, Jared, good, seriously.
that little sucker out on the spinner was angrier. And it was a little sucker. Little-ish. Rogers gave him a pretty phenomenal fight.
Rolling. Come on. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's pretty big. It's not as big as your last one. I'm glad the babies disappeared.
Alright, Jared. Very nice. Put your hand over top.
Don't let them flop out. Oh yeah, your other one was way bigger in the net.
Oh, this is a
Oh great, look, we just...
Then go upstream for me. Go upstream for me. Alright, Kylan's got one.
Another one.
Another one.
This makes 3 for me today.
Yeah, that's your third.
But I didn't have any 26s.
I think I'm going to call my 26s after world leaders. Merkel and Putin.
Oh, you're funny.
I know.
Does that have to be a big one to be Obama?
I don't know. If it's a really fat one, maybe we'll call it Chris Christie.
Maybe you should get a big brown ugly one you can call it Donald Trump.
A really orange one in spawning colors.
Maybe look at that in his head, but they left.
Yeah, but seriously, this morning it was you know.
So that's really sadistic. What the heck? It's not that big.
Oh, it's not bad. But it's a little fat one. Can you bring it over to me?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
So that's really
Step back. Step back. All right. Come on. Step back, please.
I'm trying. Step back here. Can't get away with my spawn sack. Ha!
Lively, huh?
Aren't they all?
Well, for a little one. All right.
Hey, buddy. Oh, it's fought like crazy.
Oh, it's not bad. It's a little bit better than the skipper. Come on. Come back here.
Did you not drop my pen?
I won't drop it.
I kind of.
It's like, I wouldn't imagine. It's like 1920.
Yeah, I'll just put my bread out in that. Yeah, right here. This is fine. With the extract pliers. Hey, you thought you'd gotten away with that, huh? Huh?
Nice.
They're all nice. Every single one. Even that skipper I got.
Yeah, this is a little bit better than the skipper.
Yeah, it is.
We'll call him a jack. Okay, out here with all the dust here. There you go. Nice. Let's go check.